Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we opened days 1 through 5 of the 2022 Countdown to Halloween Advent box from Beautometry. Today, I'm really excited because we're going to be opening day 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're going to try to create a design using the products that are inside these packages. So let's take them out and open each one. For day 6, we've got this beautiful orange polish. It's from B Loves Plates, and this one is called B and Orange. It's number BLP12. Stamping polish made with love by B Loves Plates. This is another new to me brand, and I'm really excited to try it out. Wow, it's beautiful. I don't know if you can see here, but in the corner it says stamping polish, and it's a beautiful pumpkin orange. Now moving on to day number 7. This one has a cute little cat and it says trick or treat. And we've got a little note, happy Halloween, no tricks here, only treats, scratch to see what's underneath. So this is, I think this has a coupon code or a discount code for Beautometry. And this is their Cuticle Putty. This is the ingredients list. I love their Cuticle Putty. It's really, really nice. And this one is called Halloween Spice. It is sealed. So let's take off the seal. On the bottom it says Cuticle Putty. And let's smell it. Oh, I smell the spice in it. It smells so good. Wow, it's super full and it smells delicious. I'm gonna use a little bit from the inside seal. You only need a little bit and then you apply it to your cuticles. It's great. It's very hydrating for the area around your nails. And then you gently massage it in. I love it. It feels lovely and it's not greasy. And she also included a ring pop, and this is watermelon, one of my favorites. We've got day number 8 and we have a bat on the sticker and bats on the bag. Looks like we have another polish. It's from Naps and Nails. How cute! A little sticker with Hello Kitty on it. Wow, look at this. It's gorgeous. What a beautiful polish. I see purple, blue, green, pink. You see that pink shimmer or that shift? This one is called Zombie Kitten. How cute. I love it. It has a little zombie Hello Kitty sticker. Wow, look at that, guys. It's stunning. I love the flat paddle brush. It's wide. This is my first Naps and Nails polish. And on the description of the polish, it says that it's a magnetic. So let's use our magnet to see. Look at that, guys. It's a magnetic polish. That's awesome. Now we're up to day number 9 and we have a cute little skeleton with a witch's hat. Oh, what is this? Halloween Spice Soaking Putty. Mani and Pedi Bath Truffle. Oh, wow. This is so cool. It looks really weird. This one, I'm going to try it on my own off camera, but I'll let you guys know how it goes. And the last package we're opening today is day number 10. We have a cute little ghost with a witch's hat and a wand. This one looks like a box of polish. And it's a MoYou London nail lacquer. The shade is Classic Lipstick. And this is a UK brand, 9 milliliters. It's my first MoYou London polish. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's a really pretty shade. Definitely does make me think of a classic lipstick. I guess I could describe it as a coral pink. And this is what the paddle brush looks like. This is pretty. Let's see what we can do with this polish. And just like in the last video, we're going to try to use these 5 items today to create a design. Obviously, we're not going to be able to use this one or the Cuticle Putty, which we've already tried, but we're going to create something using the B Loves Plates polish, the MoYou London polish, and the Naps and Nails polish. Before I do a full manicure, I want to go ahead and try out the stamping polish, this one. So I'm just going to try to stamp a few images from the Zombies Beautometry plate. Let's do these little faces. That looks cute. I added a little face on the black pumpkin. So we can see that the stamping polish works really well. Let's take this polish off. And since my nails are so dry, let's go ahead and apply some of this Cuticle Putty. That looks much better. The repair I had done on this nail weakened when I applied the acetone, so now I had to completely take it off and this is what happened. Sometimes we make plans and things don't work out the way that we thought. I ended up having to do a complete repair on both nails that are broken, and it took me a lot longer than what I expected. So now we're back and hopefully we're gonna get these nails polished. I'm gonna have to be careful because with the acetone, it dissolves the dip powder and the crazy glue that I have to do the repair. So I cannot really mess around with that too much. Maybe I'll try using just a non-acetone nail polish remover on those nails. But I was even thinking of just not painting my thumbnail, which is the worst one, the one with the worst crack, but we'll see. All right, so let's apply the polish. Let's try to do the magnet. Wow, that is really noticeable. That's one thin coat. While the polish is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one on this thumbnail just to test it out. It is very pigmented. You can definitely get away with just doing one coat, but I always apply 2 coats. So let's wait for it to dry. Let's do the second coat. Let's use the magnet. This polish is so beautiful. I love the way it looks. It's like a magical polish. It has so much in it. I applied a second coat of the polish and this is what it looks like. Since you can see a little bit of the ridges on my nail, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a top coat. And this is what it looks like with the top coat. Since the name of the polish is Zombie Kitten, which is so cute, I thought it would be a good idea to try using this zombie kitten from the zombie plate from Beautometry. So let's go ahead and stamp this cute little kitten and choose one of these faces. I think I'm going to choose this one and stamp it just with regular black stamping polish. I'm going to use this one from Maniology. It's called Straight Up Black. And I'm actually going to fill it in. I'm going to fill it in with this gray stamping polish from H. La Cocedora. It's called Pegasus. Once it dries, I can stamp it directly onto the nail. One thing I wanted to quickly mention about these plates is the fact that they have the same image in different sizes. So this one, we picked the larger size, but if you have short nails and you want to use the same image, instead of having to reduce the image, you can just pick it up right here. They have the same one. They have the little cat and the little dog, and they have them both right here, and the little faces are right here too. So these are the smaller sizes and these are the 2 larger sizes. Let's check and make sure that it's dry. It is, so now we can stamp it onto the nail. How cute. Now we just need to add the face. I'm gonna go ahead and add a few little accent designs on the ring fingernail. We'll finish off by applying a shiny top coat. And here's our finished design. I love the way it turned out. The little zombie cat is super cute and it's perfect for this polish. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the unboxing and trying out of the products in days 6 through 10 of the 2022 Countdown to Halloween from Beautometry. Thank you so much for your support and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye!